I found myself near an empty editing room with a waveform on the screen. The city had a careful kind of noise, like it knew I was trying to stay small. I left the bright door half behind me, let the hallway hold my better face. Every window wore a little weather, every step arrived a second late. I kept thinking about anonymous work, how it sits between the ribs and weights. I could tell the truth in simple pieces, but simple things still break in place. So I spoke slower than the traffic, made my breath fit through the wire. Someone laughed below the awning, I mistook it for a choir. I do not need a bigger ending, I just need the room to hear how a person can keep standing with the ache kept near. Anonymous work is not a headline, it is the small lamp left on. It is the part of me still blinking after everyone is gone. I say copyright, free music like a password I forgot. Even free songs cost a little midnight. I keep the loud part folded in my coat and let the low light answer for me. Even free songs cost a little midnight. If I sound calm, it took all night. If I step back, I am still here. Still here, still low. Say it soft, say it slow. The bass moves under my jacket, the pad bends under the road. I changed my route by one small corner, like that could change the whole year back. A taxi coughed beside the curb line and disappeared into the black. I carried a waveform on the screen like proof that I had been awake. The night kept asking for a reason, I gave it all the ones I could fake. Then one real one came up quiet, not dramatic, not refined, just a sentence with its coat on, waiting at the edge of my mind. I do not chase the faster answer, I let the silence count to 10. If the chorus opens wider, it still begins close to the skin. I keep my hands below the thunder, I keep my voice beneath the glass. What I lost is not a statue, it is a shadow walking past. I say copyright, free music like a password I forgot. Even free songs cost a little